The where method works like a data bouncer that only lets in elements matching your rules. Once you get good at filtering, you can handle most data selection tasks you face in daily programming. Basic filtering is simple. You just use the where method and then define the condition. In this case, we find all the products that are less than $100. Complex conditions combine multiple criteria with logical operators. In this example, we find products that are both less than 100 and also in a specific category. Where returns IEnumerable, which means it's lazy evaluated. No work happens until you actually enumerate the results with toList or a for each loop. This makes it efficient because you can build complex filter chains without intermediate collections. You can chain multiple where calls where each condition further narrows down the results.